Each day is a miracle of God. Morning is a gift that we should be excited to open. Start with a smile, and everything good will follow. A pleasant morning, my dear students. Once again, I welcome you to the last online class of English for the month of April. I pray and believe that your day is as wonderful as you are. I hope you have been enjoying the English online classes which was taken by me during the month of April from 13th to 29th. During this time period, we have covered one poem and three lessons, and I hope that you all have understood the explanations and exercises related to the above mentioned lessons thoroughly. But in case you missed any video, you can watch in the school website till 10th June. After the online classes for the month of April, I would like to give some English assignments to my dear students of class 5 for the upcoming summer vacation. This work must be done in your English fair copy and need to be submitted after the reopening of the school. I expect each and every one of you, my dear students, to do these assignments without fail. My dear ones, during this critical time when the entire world is a victim of coronavirus outbreak, a few lines I would like to share with you before moving on assignment. East or west, home is the best. Take some rest, don't call any guest. Enjoy your home fest, don't have an outgoing zest. This is our life-saving test, so be in your nest. This is the entire world's request. So, my dear children, all of you stay home and stay safe. Now, it's time for our English assignment. So, let's proceed. I already explained the poem and lessons through videos. I hope you all have understood the explanations and exercises related to these lessons. So now we see the first assignment question. Find out the 10 difficult words each from poem My Mother, Lesson 1, The Farmer, His Son and the Donkey, Lesson 2, Abraham Lincoln, Lesson 3, The Four Friends. So my dear students, you must learn all these lessons perfectly and search the difficult words thoroughly and figure out the 10 difficult words from each lesson. Now, see the next assignment question. Write a short paragraph about a summer camp attended by you. 100 words. So we all know about the summer camp. Summer camp is a supervised program for children conducted during the summer months. These are camps for the performing activities like coloring and drawing, cooking, music, swimming, gardening, etc. So, the primary purpose of summer camp is educational, athletic, or cultural development. A summer camp environment may allow children to learn new skills in a safe and nurturing environment. Now, I have already given you hints what a summer camp is. You may use these hints and prepare a short paragraph about a summer camp. Now, see the next assignment question. Write 10 lines about your favorite personality whom you like the most. A widely known and a famous person is the one whom the world knows. So, for example, sports persons, Sachin Tendulkar. As we know, he is a famous cricketer. Milkha Singh, he is famous in athletic. National heroes, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, he was the founder of Azad Hind Fauj and also known as a famous freedom fighter. Shaheed Veer Bhagat Singh, who fought for our independence. Politicians, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, as we know, she was the first female Prime Minister of India. Mr. Narendra Damodar Modi ji, at present, Mr. Narendra Damodar Modi ji is the Prime Minister of India. So, these are just examples and you have to write 10 lines about a personality of your own choice. Now, see the last assignment question. Draw the picture of a cartoon character with their co-partner whom you like. Sketch or color it. I know, children, you all love to watch cartoons. Am I correct? Yes, you all love to see cartoons. So, I am giving you a task related to cartoon character. So, draw the favorite cartoon character with its co-partner. For example, Mickey and Donald, Tom and Jerry, Motu and Patlu, Doraemon and Nobita, etc. So, according to your choice, you draw the picture of a cartoon character with their co-partner and sketch or color it. So, these are some English assignment questions for your summer vacation. I hope you all fully enjoy with these English assignments. At last, I want to say a small message for our dear parents. Dear parents, hope your ward had taken benefit of the online classes held in April, as this was the first time there were some ups and downs. We regret for the same. We are sorry for the inconvenience, if any. For the benefit and welfare of our dear students, these videos will be available in the school website till 10th June. You can cover up the loss occurred or classes you have missed for any day. It's humble request to kindly ask your child to watch the videos through the school website, because this will assign attendance to your child. We are extremely thankful for your kind cooperation and expect the same in future too. Stay home, stay safe. Regards, English teacher. Have a great day. Thank you.